Hey everyone, welcome back to Techie Dialogue. If your Windows 11 PC feels slow, laggy or takes forever to open apps, don't worry. You might be just a few CMD commands away from fixing it. In this video, I'm going to show you some powerful hidden command prompt commands that can help speed up your Windows 11 PC, repair broken system files, improve stability, fix internet issues, and make your computer feel smoother overall. And the best part is that these are built directly into Windows. No paid software, no sketchy optimizer apps, and no complicated setup. Just simple commands that actually work. So if you want faster performance, fewer crashes, and a healthier Windows 11 system, stick around till the end because these commands could seriously transform your PC. Before we begin, make sure you open command prompt the right way because most of these commands need administrator access to work properly. Click the start button, type CMD, then choose a run as administrator. When the user account control window appears, click yes. You'll now see the command prompt window. Think of this as the control center where we're going to repair and optimize Windows step by step. Now let's begin with one of the easiest and most effective commands for improving performance. Type this command exactly as shown. WinGet upgrade, all and press enter. This command checks all the applications installed on your computer and downloads the latest versions directly from trusted Microsoft sources. A lot of people don't realize outdated software can slow down Windows, cause compatibility problems, and even create security risks. Running this command regularly keeps your apps optimized and stable without manually updating each one. Depending on how many apps you have installed, this could take a few minutes. Just let it finish completely. Now let's move on to one of the biggest causes of system slowdown: drive errors. Type this command. CHKDSK CRR and press enter. This command scans your main drive for file system problems, corrupted sectors, and damaged data. The RR switch tells Windows to locate bad sectors and recover readable information whenever possible. Because your C drive is currently being used by Windows, you'll probably see a message asking if you want to schedule the scan during the next restart. Type Y, then press enter and restart your PC later when convenient. During startup, Windows will perform a deep disk scan before loading the desktop. If your system has random freezes, crashes, or extremely slow loading times, this command can make a huge difference. Once your PC finishes restarting, open command prompt as administrator again because now we're moving to one of the most important repair tools in Windows. Type this command sfc scano and press enter. This is one of the most important Windows repair tools ever created. SFC, short for System File Checker, scans protected Windows system files and automatically replaces corrupted or missing files with healthy copies. Corrupted system files are a very common reason for blue screens, crashes, broken features, and strange Windows behavior. The scan usually takes around 10 to 15 minutes, so don't close the window while it's running, even if it looks stuck at a certain percentage for a while. Now sometimes SFC alone isn't enough. If Windows itself has damaged repair files, we need something stronger. That's where this command comes in. DISM online cleanup image, restore health and press enter. DSM checks the Windows image for corruption and downloads clean replacement files directly from Microsoft's servers. Think of it like repairing the repair system itself. This process may take a while depending on your internet speed and system performance, but once it finishes, your Windows installation will usually be much healthier and more stable. Once DISM is done, it's a very good idea to run the SFC command one more time. Again type SFC scan now to make sure everything is fully repaired. Now let's improve your network performance because internet related problems can also make your PC feel slow and unstable. Type this command netash winsock reset and press enter. This command resets the Windows network socket configuration back to default settings. If you've been experiencing random disconnects, slow browsing, unusual lag, or network related errors, this can often solve the problem instantly. After running it, restart your PC to apply the changes. Now while we're working on internet performance, let's also clear your DNS cache. Type ipconfig or flush DNS and press enter. Windows stores DNS information locally to speed up website loading, but over time that cache can become outdated or corrupted. Flushing the DNS cache forces Windows to refresh network information, which can help fix slow websites, connection problems, and certain internet errors. Now here's a really useful bonus command for laptop users. Type powercfg's battery report and press enter. Windows will instantly generate a detailed battery health report and save it to your computer. You'll see the exact file location appear in command prompt. Copy that path, paste it into your browser or file explorer and open the report. Inside you can compare your battery's original capacity versus its current capacity to see how much battery health has degraded over time. And finally, let's check your RAM health. Because faulty memory can cause crashes, freezing, and random performance issues that are hard to diagnose. Open the Start menu and search for Windows Memory Diagnostic. Open it and choose Restart Now and check for problems. Your computer will reboot and perform a full memory test automatically. If any RAM errors are detected, Windows will notify you after startup. Once you've completed all these steps and restarted your PC, you should notice better responsiveness, smoother performance, faster startup times, and fewer random issues overall. If your computer was running slow before, hopefully you can already feel the difference after trying these fixes. Even small improvements in speed and stability can make Windows feel brand new again. Let me know in the comments which command helped your PC the most, or if you know any other useful CMD tricks that people should try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more Windows tips, hidden features and powerful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.